Yes, all right, guys. Today I want to be explaining how I trade my key levels. You understand how I trade key levels? Key levels are places in the market where price have tested previously and tend to reject those places. Now, I have a software that generates key level for me, and that same software notify me whenever price get to a certain key level. Now, let's say for instance, I got a notification on a lot of pairs, so I just need to select one. This is card chef. That price has touched resistance 2. So if I wanted to trade that, I will just go to my chart, plot the level, check for the trend direction, and I take. But this is the trade I want to, the one I want to trade, which is this GBP chef. Okay, as you can see, is right. It wrote that GBP chef key levels price just touched resistance 3, and resistance 3 is the highest level of what the level that the system generates. You understand? And he told me it's time to sell from the top. That's why when you see most of my trade, it's always coming from the top or coming from the bottom. You understand? So that's just it. So the only thing I need to do is just to confirm this number, copy it out. Once I copy it out, I go back to my chart. Immediately I go back to my chart, then I'll plot the line, which is this black line you're seeing. This black line you're seeing. This 13487. So immediately I do that, I will now check where is the price coming from. Now it's coming from, sorry, where the price is coming from. It's coming from bottom. And previously price tested this direction, the same level that it gave me, and it dropped. And this is a daily time frame. It's not like a 15 minutes time frame, like you just go and bounce up. So this market is going to drop heavily. You just have to be patient. And I checked again, it went back again to test this. Now if you look at the previous, if you look at the previous candle, price has been bouncing around this zone that you see, that the system generates key level for. Price have been bouncing around. So whenever I see this kind of signal, whenever the software generates a key level for me at either R3 or S3, I stack. I only added to stack on this, you understand, but I'm still going to stack more, you understand, because the price is not going anywhere. Even if it's going anywhere, it's not going to exceed this highest point. Now my stop loss is just above this recent daily high, which is no more than 50 pips, you understand. That is what my stop loss, you understand. So that is how I trade key level using Bekenet Trading software. It's very easy. I just relax whenever I trade. Now these are all the trade I've taken so far for today. These are all the trades, all my profit for today, everything that I've made using this same key level. These are all the trade. Look at the dates. These are all the trade that I only lost two because this one hit stop loss, so I closed this one out. You understand? These are all the trade for today, 1st of June. You understand? So it's the same thing with this level, the same way the system generates key level for me. That is how I trade it. You understand? So this level now is going to drop. At least if I'm patient enough, I can cap like 200-300 pips. But if I just want to scalp into the market and I leave and wait for another opportunity, that is how I trade key level. Now this software is very simple. All you need to do is just get the software, install it on a VPS server. You will be receiving messages like this on your MT5. This is my MT5. Look at, these are all the signals it generates for me. Now this system has the ability to scan more than 30 pairs. I will be giving you key levels. You understand? Whenever price get to those key level, it will signal you, then you go and check it out. Like this one is signal all the trade you see me took so far, and all the ones I've posted on my Telegram chat is the same thing. Look at it. This is just today's trade. You understand that I just take, and even closing out, I even have patience to wait for them to manifest. I just close, I just close, I just close, I just close. You understand? That is how it works. Key level, that's how to do it. But if you know how to generate key level on your own, always learn to do it. Take 1 or 2 3 pair. It's easier for me because I'm using the software. The software can scan more than 30 pairs at the go, and always check when price get to this level. Price got to this level, that's why you see this signal that it gave to me on this currency pair. We look at the time, it's just 8 minutes ago. it signaled me. You understand? So I had to go back to the chart and plot a different currency, different any kind of instrument at all. It's generated. So that's how I trade my key level. It's very simple. So long you understand market pattern, market chart, whatever thing you want to do, just be in the right place at the right time, where the market is trying to reject, or where the market is trying to bounce off, or where the market is trying to fall. I don't trade in this area. You cannot see me placing trade there. It's either I'm buying from here or I'm selling from the top. Wherever there is a key level, that is the only way you can see me place a trade. And if the system does not generate signal for me, I will not trade. You understand? It's either I'm buying from here, sell to this bottom, selling from here, or buying from this place. Now I am buying from this top because there is a strong key level here. Look at it, price rejected this zone. The same thing on this other side, the same thing on this other side, rejected it. So it's very simple. So I don't need to panic. Even if it hits stop loss, that means the trade wasn't mine. But if you look at it, previous history, the market this year, or this was 2003, this was January, this is March. Market tested this level. As you can see, I'm still getting signals, you understand, on what GBP USD. It just came now telling me that price has got, look at it, this is GBP USD. This is a signal that just came telling me that price just touched resistance 1. Time to watch out of this chart. So if I have interest of trading this pair, I'll just watch out of it. If it's moving on the upside or moving on the downside, I just enter immediately. You'll see me just stacking the market just like it's just simple. I don't stress myself, you understand. The system has already been programmed to generate key level for me. So whatever I do, I just wait for signal to come, you understand. So that's just it. So the software is available on MetaQuote markets. You can just search for Bekenet key level generator. You'll be able to see it and just pay for it. I rent it, I don't sell it. You can still buy it if you have the money to do that. It's very simple. Whatever pattern, market pattern you know how to trade, you can incorporate it into your system. Now the software does not tell you to buy or sell. It only gives you the key level. These are the key level markets tend to react to. So whenever you get those levels, you can just place your trade and what you see how it goes. You understand? That's all for now.